Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a REALME C35. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find screen recorder button here. If you don't have this button on this bar, tap to pencil on the top and find this button in this block, and then press and hold, like this, press and hold and drag to top to add. And for saving, click back. Now when we add this button, press, and before start recording we got record audio option. So if you tap on this option, you've got to change, for example, microphone, device audio, and device audio and microphone. So for example, I want only device audio, and on the right we got switcher, this position like blue it's activate your recording audio, and this like gray it's turn off. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.